Hey crafters, it's me Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and I am doing week 182 for 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. So someone sends in their scraps, I make a card in 10 minutes or less, and then I stamp my information on the back and send it back to them. So if you're new to my channel, this is not the only event during the week. Every Monday I do a creative tutorial, step-by-step, kind of showing you how to make and do different things in paper art. And then every Friday we have a live Zoom. So you're going to want to join us on Facebook in the group Quality Crafts so that you can get in on all that stuff. And the information on changes and cancellations will be found on qualitycrafts.com. KOLATCRAFTS.com, and click on the schedule link and it'll show you the Google Calendar of everything that's going on. So this week 182 was brought to us by Tiffany, so I'm going to flip this over and check out all of the really cool little pieces that she sent. Looks like almost everything is matching and includes a card base. Oh, look at this, she even matched the insides. Fabulous. It's going to be a very quick card. I don't think I'll need 10 minutes for this, but it's going to be super sweet. And so let's just get started. I am going to keep that together, what she had in the inside, because why not? This is super cute. Fun colors. Love it. We are out of non-repetitive cards, entries, I should say, scraps for the 1 in 10. Oops, I dropped it and it was crooked, but it won't come off, so we're going with it. So now would be a great time if you're new or you're on the fence before and you didn't know if you wanted to send one in. Now would be the time, because if I don't get any more within the next week or so, I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel this one. We just won't do it anymore. Not because I don't love it. It's just, you know, you run out of ideas and scraps, and people just don't want to do it anymore or whatever, which is totally fine. These are really cute colors. I would have never probably ever put them together, but super fun. I'm layering up and just doing things that are coming to my mind as I go. I think we could put one like right on top of there too. Oh, it says happy birthday on the paper. How fun is that? I wish I had a colored image that I could put on here. But I think I'm going to stick with that. This is going to be a really quick card. When you guys do matchy-matchy for me, it's such a piece of cake. Some people like to send me really awkward stuff to try to stump me. I love that. Go for it. If you've got some stuff where you're like, I'd like to see what she could do out of this, send it. I love a challenge. If you're new to my channel, by chance, we have online sales. Oh, look at that. Maybe I want that. How cute is that? Then I could put that happy birthday there. Oh my word. Anyway, I digress. What was I saying? We have a lot of things going on that you might not know about. So I have the Patreon team, who has a separate private group, those who support the channel monthly. And if you want to be a part of that, it's patreon.com/qualitycrafts. If you want to see everything that's going on, check out our calendar that's under the schedule tab on qualitycrafts.com. And every other week, every other Saturday from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have live sales of crafty goodies, you know, like used and new, garage sale type sale, where I just go through and show you what I have, and then you say sold, and then tell me what you want to buy, and we just keep going with that. It's super fun. I think you'd really enjoy it. So if you get a chance, oh, look at this. I can pile this up. I can't remember if that's what I did before, but that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, you definitely want to check out everything that's going on, and remember that Quality Crafts is drama and commitment free. So you don't have to worry about, I'm gonna puff these up. You don't have to worry about anyone kicking you out because you didn't do this or that. We don't care about that. We just want you to have a place, especially if you're somebody who is a spoonie, which that term came to me this past year, I think. Just basically means, are you basically homebound? Do you have chronic illness, that type of a thing? We want you to have a place where you can just be, and if you can't do and be all the things, so what? You join in whenever you can. Just make sure that if you are joining in, that you are meeting deadlines, because that's important to everybody, spoonie or not. That's just respect. So you don't have to join in any of it. But if you do, just make sure that you can be on time. What I like to do is if I'm going to join in a swap or something, I make sure that I have the time, like I think about it and go, okay, do I have the time like right now to just, get that out, set that apart, have it ready. And if I do, then I join. If I don't, I try not to join. This has a little happy birthday on it, so that's cute, all popped up like that. And then I was going to put this like on the top, but I think I'm going to leave it right there. And I'm going to cut off a little piece here. I got 5 minutes yet, so cut a little piece, see if this is going to fit on there. Yes, and I am going to literally draw a candle. And I'm going to, oh gosh, I don't want to color it orange, but orange would be the most appropriate color. Just because that's the color that would bring everything together at this point. And I'm going to draw a little candle. I guess I'll make the flame yellow and the candle orange. That would be fine. And maybe I'll just put some polka dots on the candle. This little tip end is running out of ink or something. That looks good. I'm going to put that on there. Yeah, it's super cute. Okay, I need a couple of markers. I need an orange one and a yellow one. I'm going to grab out, let's see, a yellow and an orange from my Copic markers here. Spectrum Noir has awesome markers and I have them all, but they are lacking in the orange department really bad. I don't want to, I should have colored this in and then did the black over the top. That would have made more sense. Because I don't want this to bleed all over it, so make it look bad. So I'm trying just to get, just barely touch the black parts there so it doesn't keep going. And then we'll make the flame yellow. So that's super cute. And we already have the inside situated. And so this card is done. Very fun. Thanks for sending this in, Tiffany. I love it. We'll have a card here. I need to get your address so that I can send that back because I don't think that I have it at this point. But I will set it off to the side. So, if you guys want to get in on that or anything else that's Quality Crafts, join us at qualitycrafts.com. Look through the links. Check it out. There's a big button that says, yes, let me in. It's going to let you sign up for anything that you want to sign up for. So you can click and pick. There's like a birthday thing you can sign up for. There's the newsletter that you can sign up for, which we don't send out very many newsletters, like maybe once a week or less. And then also, gosh, I haven't been on there myself in quite some time. we just got settled in a new state, so things are starting to pick up again. And as they pick up and I get to know our schedule and things get going a lot more, then I'll be able to talk to you more clearly about what's going on. But it's been super fun. Everybody seems to really enjoy the group and the Zooms every Friday night. So if you're the type of person that just wants to connect, feel connected, and have purpose, come and join our group, Quality Crafts. We'd love to have you. And until I see you next time, I cannot wait to see you guys next video.